Alright, what's up, y'all? I kind of want to do an update on Baidao. Or no, not Baidao. Sorry, I already did that one. An update on Chainlink. This video will be about Chainlink. So, uh, guys, if you guys want Baidao news and updates, subscribe to the channel. We do Baidao news here because I'm personally invested in Baidao. But I want to talk about Chainlink here now. Before I delve into this and what's been going on, I'd like to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. I really appreciate all of you who support the channel. So I want to talk about Chainlink here for a moment because Chainlink's been in a downtrend for quite a while here, and it recently pumped significantly. So interesting. Oh god, I just noticed this how this pump structure mirrors this pump structure here very closely. That's actually pretty interesting. Like, look, large initial pump, a little bit of sell off, then a smaller pump, large initial pump, sell off, then a smaller pump. That's pretty interesting. Anyways, so guys, just looking at the hour chart here on Chainlink, this looks like it's gonna go down to me. This looks weak for several reasons here. Let's delve into this. So looking at our indicators here, we can see that the money flow index, which shows us how much money is coming in and out of the market at any one time, it shows that there's a lot of money leaving the market. Okay, our MACD on the hour, we have a tick down on the histogram, and we're very much in the over bought area. This looks like it could go into the oversold area, and that tick down on the histogram also points to this perhaps starting to go down. Now, if we look at our RSI, what do we see here? We see a lower high. Okay, guys, so we see that this peak on the RSI coincides with this peak in the price action. This peak in the RSI coincides with this peak in the price action. As we can clearly see, this peak here is lower than this one. Now, this may not be finished forming, but it kind of looks like it is. Now, this could always change, but given that our histogram is also taken down, whenever we have a higher high in the price action, but a lower high on the RSI like we do here, that is very bearish. That's typically an indicator that's going to go down. Now, again, this might not be finished fully forming, could go up, but I just don't see that happening personally. Also, with that tick down on the histogram, and with money flowing out of the market, and with volume dropping off, this seems to me like it could go down. So, if this is indeed our peak, let's do some Fibonacci retracement to see where this could possibly fall back down to. So okay, guys, yeah, so our golden pocket region is the 618 area to the 0.5, so this right here. So this would make a whole lot of sense if we fell down to somewhere within this golden pocket range here, because as we can see, there is a lot of historical support at this area. Even before that, though, it would make sense that our next floor would be here. As we can see, there's a whole lot of support here. So basically, guys, fib retracement levels, for those of you who aren't familiar with fib retracement, basically whenever there's a large pump or dump and you do a fib retracement level of the length of that movement, these different levels help to indicate what could be possible retracement targets. So like whenever something pumps like this, you measure the length of that movement, and then it'll usually correct back down to one of these retracement levels. Now the question is which one. Things typically like to go to the golden pocket ratio. That doesn't always have to happen. Sometimes it can just retrace back to this level, this level, this level, or it can just keep going up. This could also be the beginning stages of an Elliott wave, depending on what Bitcoin does, if Bitcoin continues to do well. So let me just kind of describe what I'm talking about here. So this could be something like that, where we're going to see maybe something like this. We could be in the beginning stages of an Elliott wave. That's totally possible, especially if Bitcoin continues to do well. And if I think the thing that will decide that is if the stock market continues to recover. As we can see, the stock market did well today. It's been doing well. Yeah, we've been having like this pump and then crash, pump and then maybe we'll get a crash. Who knows? Oh wait, today's Friday, right? Today is Friday, so the stock market isn't even open tomorrow. Interesting. So without the influence of the stock market, Bitcoin is kind of free to do more or less what it wants. On weekends, Bitcoin is more influenced by the technicals because throughout the course of the week, I believe the stock market plays a large impact on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin plays a large impact on the altcoin market. Where did I leave? There we go, and thus Chainlink. So there's a lot of things that could be going on here, guys. Regardless, whenever we get a pump, a large pump where we almost always see a correction, so we could be in store for this. I'm gonna do some more analysis on this. I might short this, maybe back down to maybe around the $9.70, $9.80 price range. I'm gonna do some more technical analysis on this. I'm not totally convinced of this as of yet. That would make sense that we'd want to see some kind of correction. So let's say if it was just to there. Wait, hold on. Stay still. There we go. And you should move. There we go. Wow, that is actually quite a large movement if we were to retrace. Damn, I'd even target, since that's such a large movement, even like something in this area, like even the 236, I'd even target like that. Damn, that's like a 6.5 ROI. That's actually it's pretty decent. Yeah, I mean, I could even see Chainlink fall further to maybe retest one of these fib retracement levels, but hold on here. Let's make sure our fib retracement's correctly lined up here. So there we go. We take the bottom of that movement to the top. Yeah, this would make a lot of sense to me. That's wow, a 6. That is a large pump. Okay, so let's kind of talk about wait, hold on here. Let me see what's going on. Ooh, yeah, look at this, guys. The MACD, this is the 5-minute chart. He's very much on the overbought territory and is going down. The RSI continues to go down. This is looking weak. Now, I gotta be cautious when shorting because if Bitcoin continues to pump, that'll, like I've mentioned before, it'll raise the rest of the altcoin market. So it's just something I gotta be aware of. So let's look at the 1 minute. See what the 1 minute's saying. Yeah, lower high on the RSI. So this peak on the RSI coincides with this. Yes, we're definitely in a downtrend, given our MACD as well. It's in the green. We had a crossover. Yeah, money is flowing out of the market. I believe I have a confluence of reasons here to believe that this is going to go down, given that on these different time scales, I have multiple reasons to think that this is going down. Yeah, look at this. MACD's down, RSI, lower high, money flows out. So, yeah, guys, on a bunch of different time scales, this is pointing down. Even on the 4-hour, extremely overbought. What is the MACD on the 4-hour saying? This who knows? The money flow. This is not really telling me a whole lot right now. The MACD on the 4-hour, but the money flow index showing that money is flowing out of the market. So I presume that buying power is slowing down. Another thing I would take a look at, guys, if I were to place any kind of trade on this, whether short or long, is I would take a look at the order book. So like for those of you who don't know what the order book is, typically on an exchange you'll be able to see how many buy orders and how many sell orders are being placed at any one time, and which side is larger than the other side. So that's something important to look at, because it'll tell you kind of what way things are moving towards. So I think I will. Also, I gotta stop saying guys. Like, I didn't realize how much I say that until like I posted a video and I kind of like listened to it and I was like, oh my god, I say all the time. I didn't even know like that was like a thing I did. So going forward, that's something I'm gonna try and be more conscious of, because I'm sure for some people it's kind of annoying, and it's kind of did I just say again? Jesus Christ, I didn't realize how much I said it. So that's gonna be something I'm gonna try and be more cognizant of going forward here. So yeah, guys. Okay, so I'll give you guys an update if and when I do take a trade on this. So that's it for now. Again, okay. All right, guys, take care.